rubber estate in Nepal, Japa. See rubber tapping. You can see rubber tapping, rubber estate. There are some experimental rubber estate is there, and I got rubber board field officer cup post 2-3 times, and scientist cup post 1 time. Indian Forest Research Institute में 1 time, and so many invitations actually I got because of MSc Genetics and Plant Breeding Gold Medal and UGC National 8th rank. That is basically I am a scientist. I was not at all interested to become a professor, but only because of my father's compulsion. I wasted my 28 years in Newman College and Nirmala College. What they did, my ancestral property and I made property, 4 houses I have made, nothing is there. So who are the Moodadangis of Pakka Criminal Pittalakathanar? District Collector Shiba IAS, keeping a Pakka prostitute and prostitution house in my house, Toduga village. IAS, collector, a tribal lady. Then Kottayam Collector Vigneshwari kept my pension book 23 months, that means 2 years. Then District Justice asked Moodadangis of Pakka Criminal Pittalakathanar. First one Muslim, Muhammad Wasim. Second one Sasikumar PS. Third one Nixon M. Joseph. 3 religions. See, if I joined LLB in 1985 after getting BSc first rank, I was in the first merit. If I joined MSc LLB, I will be an advocate in 1998. This Sasikumar PS got LLB in 1996. That means I will get LLB 8 years back before Sasikumar PS. Sasikumar, who are you to put? I gave 3 cents to my students. You tried to put me in jail and you tried to put that Reshma's husband in jail. Why? What is the definition of a justice? What is the definition of magistrate? So I will teach these 2 magistrates and 3 judges. So we must start prostitution house of Sindhu in the premises of these 3 judges, Sasikumar PS, Muhammad Wasim and Nixon M. Joseph, and collectors, magistrate, district magistrates, Shiba yes, and another one that is Vigneshwari. Her husband is Ernakulam Collector NSK Umesh. IAS is not a license to damage professors. So Pakka Criminal Picchala. Who is Pakka Criminal Picchala? Picchala attacking his professor, MA, BA, MA professor. Then Picchala. So his wife suicided. That is the only reason for getting anything. Then so he is so angry and Picchala trying to put me in jail. Hey, Pakka criminal. Who made the Madhunna? Picchala made Madhunna. Any court scene? Very shame democracy. 4 pillars are in the very conductive condition. That is executive, legislature, judiciary and media. Who made Madhunna? Any court tribunal scene? No. Then who is the culprit? Picchala. Same that Vyaja report of 3/9/2010. Hey, can you produce any witness, any evidence, anybody supporting? Everybody was there, written that it is wrong. Then even after 14 years, it is on my head. It must be removed. It must be removed. Very shame, Marathi Kandan. Very shame, Malay Kandan. Very shame. 3 ministers, Bindu, then Anthony Raju and Roshi Agustin, my junior. All these 3 and 2 MLAs, Ma Thomas and Uma Thomas and M.M. Mani, our minister, called me on 2nd November 2022. And on the same day, I got PPO, CPO, GPO for 47 lakhs. Then why after 43 days e-auction of my house? That was Vagaman, my Aadhaar address, pension address house. That was for a hospital. Its value is more than 10 lakhs. No, I will not give because the poor people of Vagaman was going to Kottayam Medical College and dying. So its value is, we cannot value it. So with just 2 lakh due. Very shame. Bijmal principle after 2 years of cruelty. Or Moodatangal. It can be called as Moodatangal. So Pakka criminals, Moodatangal is Acha Nakim. For district judges, district magistrates, Shiba IAS, Vigneshwari IAS. Sir, really Vigneshwari damaged my life. Without she kept her pension book 23 months. High Court. Very shame, Vigneshwari. Very shame. Very shame. Don't do this such cruelties to any professor or any guru.